Hey G Squad, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I made this simple shrimp and cabbage dish over some rice. So if you would like to see how I put this dish together, then keep watching. Alright, here are our ingredients today to make our shrimp cabbage. I have a medium cabbage there. I'm actually going to use half of that. In the measuring cup I have quarter cup of vegetable stock. I have about 5 cloves of garlic. I'm going to use some butter. In the bowl I have a pound of shrimps that I've already washed and deveined both sides, the front and the back. I'm going to use that entire onion. My seasonings, I'm going to use black pepper and pink Himalayan salt, and then I have some extra virgin olive oil. Alright, so let's get into putting this dish together. Alright, G Squad, so I hope you have enjoyed this video of watching me make this easy shrimp and cabbage dish. It tastes so good, as usual. But in any case, family, yeah, I love you guys. Thank you so much once again for stopping in, and I look forward to seeing y'all in my next video. Bye.